So the basic kit for skiing or snowboarding is the same, except for the ski pole adapter. You're going to have 3 batteries, one in your Insta360, and then the other 2 in your battery charger and on your person or whatever. And then you got some mics on there, some mic muffs from you can get them from Amazon or Insta360 or whatever. Then if you're a snowboarder, that's all you need. This one has the little tripod mount, so you could set it down, do that. That's all the kit you need for a snowboarder. Just your regular Insta360 X2, 3, or 4, doesn't really matter. You're gonna get great footage. I mean, my 2 is just as good as the 4, almost. I mean, by the time you put it on YouTube, there is almost 0 difference. Then you'll see, because most people are watching on their phone, pad, and even on the computer, and even then you're not really getting much out of this compared to the X2. So you can save some money, get the X2, get some extra batteries, the battery charger, the wind muff, and that's all you need.